Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler. So at first we have to click on the camera button here, and now we go to the more advanced settings on the right corner here, and as you can see here we are with this button straighten, and this is our leveler here, and by tapping on this we can easily turn it on and off by just one click. And as you can see, it generates this line, so it helps to keep our topic straight while taking a picture. And as you can see, this is how it works. When we want to, of course, turn it off, we have to click on this the second time. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.